Do you want to grow your data analytics career with Microsoft Business Intelligence tool like Microsoft Power BI? Skill Up Yourself Academy presents free masterclass on Microsoft Power BI. Data analyst is one of the most demandable profession across the globe now. Benefit of being data analyst is there is no need of coding or programming language and no need of technical background and no need of experience and no age barrier. Salary for a fresher with knowledge of Microsoft Power BI may be from 6 lakh per annum to 8 lakh per annum, and for expert level salary may be from 12 lakh per annum to 50 lakh per annum. You are a fresher or you are a working professional on different domain and want to switch career to data analyst with most hottest tool Microsoft Power BI. Don't be late as seats are limited, so book a free masterclass now.